Weak lift supports on a Jeep Liberty back glass are a common problem. This one only moves a little bit now. Before it gets that bad, it maybe goes up about halfway, lining up with your forehead. The edge of this glass will put a good dent in your helmet, but there's no need for that. They're easy to replace. The window is all tempered glass, so be cautious. Don't hit it with anything hard or pointy like a screwdriver, and be cautious around the defrost wires. Remove the top end first. It's easier to get at, then it can be moved so there's better access to the other end. The clip is released with a small screwdriver. A helper is needed to hold the glass after the support is removed. Here I'm using a piece of 2x4. The other end also has a clip that is released with a screwdriver. Then the old support comes right off. Here's the new lift supports. They snap right on. Before attaching the second end, make sure it's lined up with the ball. Turn it to the right to adjust so you don't loosen the end from the rod. Same thing for the other side. The newly installed lift support will hold the glass up. Don't try to shut it yet. That might put enough twist in the window to cause trouble. The connection attached to the body was a little corroded on both sides, so I gave them both a wipe with some metal protector sprayed on a paper towel. Before the second end is snapped on, the fitting should be lined up with the ball. Once again, turn it to the right to adjust. Turning left may loosen the fittings on the lift strut. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you're so inclined. Thanks for watching.